What's up YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here over at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure, talking to you today about our 2010 Yukon Denali XL model. This thing has pretty much every available option on it, including factory GMC 22-inch wheels in black. We got the power running boards. It has 87,000 miles on it. You know, it's not in perfect, but it's in really good condition. 87,000 miles on a 2010 is actually pretty low miles as well. Lots of tread on the tires, super deep tread. Parking sensors. We've got a power rear hatch. 2 DVD screens. It does also have remote start. All the keys are here. Just came out of detail, so they can really clean right now. Like I said, we got the power running boards, full power seat, memory seat, heated and cooled, automatic headlights, of course. We got a power adjustable steering wheel, Bluetooth for your cell phone, even a heated steering wheel. Oh, I gotta put the key in. Navigation system, automatic climate control. You know, it does have a little bit of wear, but 2010 with 87,739 miles, I guess that's to be expected. Moonroof, adjustable pedals, parking sensors. Overall, the truck's in really great condition. Auto climate control, front and rear. Again, I'm Patrick over here at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. You can reach me anytime at 503-875-5938. Thanks, have a great day.